Today we're talking about Dollar Tree organizers you'll use every single day, and these are ideas you haven't seen anywhere else, so let's get started. Let's start with a quick one from Dollar Tree. You'll need a plate rack and several of these toolbox organizers. These boxes fit perfectly in the plate rack section, so you can adapt this idea for whatever area of your house you need to organize. I'm using this simple Dollar Tree organizing hack for simple self-care that I do daily. Several of these boxes I used as is, but if you want to create custom boxes to hold other items that don't fit, you can use this method I'm showing you. Just score those lines with an X-Acto knife and then pop them out with a pliers. Now, I'm not going to tell you that this is very, very easy to do. In fact, I want you to be really careful if you use this. I think it might be easier if you have a heat tool just to melt the edges of those dividers. But in any case, if you want to try this, you can make this custom fit whatever it is you need to store. Once you've figured out what you'd like to include in these cases, simply print out labels, and I will link to my favorite label maker that you all have loved and asked me about many, many times in the description box below. My husband and I downsized from a 6-bedroom house to a small rental home about a fourth that size, so I'm always looking for these kinds of hacks to make the very most of our small storage. I used to have a bin on this shelf just with everything thrown together, and now at a glance I can see exactly what I need, pull just those things out, and put them back when I'm finished. This is also going to save me money because I know I won't be buying as many duplicates. I'll be able to find what I need right away. Welcome to Skip to My Life. I'm Shannon, and I love to teach you how to live an upscale lifestyle on a downsized budget. This is a great little system for storing all your little tiny odds and ends that you craft with, but you can also use it for the traditional plate storage, as well as heavy pot and pan lids and those odd container lids that you use for food storage. Here's another Dollar Tree organizing hack you will use at least once every day. Buy one of the vanity organizers. It's a little lucite product, and one of these cylindrical pill organizers. Did you know that these two fit perfectly together? And now you have separate compartments for your toothbrush, your toothpaste, and if you have a night guard, you can put that in there as well. You could put several of these in your bathroom cabinet to make the very most of your storage, and it's narrow enough that you'll be able to close that door without any problems. And there's no need just to keep pills in this container. You could use it for jewelry or many other uses. These lucite 3-bin organizers from Dollar Tree are the perfect size to fit in your medicine cabinet, and they stack so neatly. Another little perk that I love is that the labels come off really easily and they don't leave any residue. I'm showing you how I used it to make a jewelry stacker, and what I love is that you can see everything, so there's absolutely no need to label it. They fit up to 3 on top of each other really easily, and they slip in and out of that medicine cabinet with no hassle. There's absolutely no need to just use that medicine cabinet for medicine. In fact, it's probably not the best place to keep your medicine, but you can use it to store all kinds of other items like jewelry. But I bet you all have 1,000 other ideas of how you could use this system, and I hope you comment below and let me know what you're thinking. Let me tell you how thankful I am for you coming back to watch Skip to My Life. I know you have so many options that you could be watching and things you could be doing with your time, so thank you for spending your time with me. This little 3-divider case from Dollar Tree is also great for those awkward items in your medicine cabinet that tend to tip over. And you can also use it to create a space to hold back stock, things like toothpaste, toothbrushes, and floss. Dollar Tree has these caddies in both white and black, and I'm going to show you several different ways to use them for everyday use. Now, this time of year, I am thinking all about gardening, and this makes a great little gardening tool. You can load it up with all your essentials and carry it around with you as you're planting and weeding. You'll want to snatch up some of these new storage bags from Dollar Tree. They're so beautiful. They have little colorful tulips on them. And I created a gardening center for my mother-in-law as a little gift and included some of the items from Dollar Tree that she might need to use around her backyard. If you're getting a good idea from watching this video, don't forget to let me know by clicking that like thumbs up button. It lets me know what you love and what you want more of. I love using Dollar Tree's cellophane paper and bows to create beautiful gifts from ordinary objects like this little gardening caddy. All you need to do is wrap it in some of that crinkly cellophane and add a beautiful bright bow. If you love to be the first to know when new videos come out, make sure you click the subscribe button. It'll put you first in line for all my new content. Prices have gone so high on movie theaters, so my husband and I often do a movie night at home, and here are some of the things I love to add to this little caddy to make it a special occasion. The organizer in me absolutely loved it that this Icelandic water bottle fit perfectly in that little square opening, but I also filled it with all kinds of fun treats from Dollar Tree, including these popcorn flavored marshmallows. They were really fun to eat, and they were pretty delicious too. Did you know that these Dollar Tree caddies fit perfectly over the rim of the shopping cart? So now you don't need to bring a big bag or person with you. Just throw your keys and your cell phone and whatever else you need in that little caddy and keep it in the seat in your car next to you. If you share a bathroom with someone in your home, these caddies are the perfect size to hold everything you need to contain all your bath and shower essentials. Dollar Tree's small round spray bottles fit perfectly on the side of this caddy to make your own custom cleaning caddy. But if you want it to be a little easier to carry, you want to put one of those bottles in the smaller square opening and keep the other two bottles on the other side. This way it won't be heavy just on one side. I've saved so much money on cleaning supplies, mixing up my own simple and cost-effective solutions that I know are not damaging and don't have a lot of chemicals. I'm going to show you many uses for these smaller caddies that you can find in the Dollar Tree teacher section. My husband and I have 2 grown adult children, and we found out at Christmas that each of them is going to be having their first child. So I will be attending some baby showers this spring, and this is a great, simple gift idea. I used my Cricut Joy to personalize this caddy, and then I stocked it with Carter's adorable sunglasses, hair bows, and other baby essentials. Not only does this make an adorable little gift idea, but I'm hoping it's going to be a convenient caddy for the new parents to carry around the essentials that they need. If you're a grandparent, comment below your grandma or grandpa name and your best advice for me, because this is my first time becoming a grandma. I'm so excited, but I want to make sure that I do things right. Another fun thing about these small caddies is that they fit perfectly in the Dollar Tree medium-size gift bags, so you can camouflage what's in there really easily and cutely. We're back at Dollar Tree's office supply section to snap up some other items that fit perfectly in these small caddies. Create a meditation or devotional station for yourself by taking these prayer cards out of the box. Now, they don't fit when they're in the box, but they do fit once you take them out of the box. And these little notepads are the perfect size for the larger opening in that caddy. I included some gel pens and some brightly colored pencils, and this is really going to inspire me because I'll have everything I need at my fingertips. You can use this same idea to create a message center by just taking more of those notepads, the pens and the pencils, and putting it near a spot where people may need to leave you a note. I have a very special message for you today, my friend, and that is, today is not the end of your story, so do not give up.